Mysore Pak.
Mysore Pak. One is with the authentic one.
Ghee with our authentic Mysore Pak.
Okay.
And badam, jaggery, dry fruit.
We really wanted to visit the iconic Guru Sweet Mart, and yes, we have bought some Mysore Pak. We'll take it with us. Hi and welcome to Life with Dimple. So I'm in Mysore, as I told you in my last video. आज हम आए हैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए स्पेशल मैसूर मसाला डोसा. Indira Cafe, by the way, as suggested to us by the auto wala. So on his suggestion we came here and we are here to taste the authentic Mysore dosa. So watch this video till the end and do subscribe to my channel. So before going back to Bangalore, let's try to explore Mysore as much as we can. So waiting for the breakfast. So the dosa is here. This is the Mysore masala dosa and this is the stuffing inside. तो आप देख सकते हैं एक रेड कलर का पेस्ट है जो दे ऑलवेज यूज एंड दिस इज द मसाला एंड दिस इज द चटनी, द कोकोनट चटनी. So let's take the first bite. So this is the stuffing with the dosa. There's a lot of butter over it. Nice. Butter. It's not spicy and it's very tasty. This is Medu Vada for Avyan. So this seems to be quite crispy. It's not very oily. The dosa is very crispy and soft. So it's not a very thick dosa. It's very crispy and soft. So this is what I like about the Mysore masala dosa. Filter coffee and the tea. So this is the breakfast scene and we are enjoying it. So breakfast is done. So let's go to our next stop. The next stop that we have come is considered to be the birthplace of Mysore Pak, जहाँ से Mysore Pak की शुरुआत हुई. So their ancestors used to make sweets for the palace, and one day so happened that the king asked for a different sweet. So he was so impressed by the sweet made by their ancestors that he named it as Mysore Pak, and that's where we are right now. This is Guru Sweet Mart, which is a very popular shop in Mysore, known for the Mysore Pak and other sweets. So let's go try the famous Mysore Pak. और Mysore है तो Mysore Pak नहीं खाए तो क्या किया? So let's go try.
Mysore Pak.
Mysore Pak. One is with the authentic one.
Ghee with our authentic Mysore Pak.
Okay.
And badam, jaggery, dry fruit.
Okay, ghee with me, the original one I want.
How much you want?
This I want to taste and I'll take maybe 300 grams and 300.
One is made of ghee and one is made of milk.
Ghee and milk, ghee without milk.
This is only ghee.
So both are with the ghee and this is
Milk without milk.
and this is without.
Taste.
Because we like with milk than without milk.
Yeah, this is without milk. This is also very soft. This is more tastier. Both are very soft. It just melts in the mouth. So yeah, very nice.
Made of ghee. One is without milk, one is with milk. So we took with milk half kilo, without milk 250
I think
grams.
250 grams.
And the price is same for both.
Okay.
Price same.
We are in the Devraj market right now. You get fruits, flowers, spices, everything. The market is full and very crowded. So let's explore the market a bit. So we are buying some fresh fruits. This is the fruit market. यहाँ पर So this is what we are taking with us. Mysore Pak is 800 kgs, but we have taken one with milk and one without milk. So that costed us around 600, and that is the original Mysore Pak you'll get. So don't miss this when you come to Mysore. And if I talk about the flowers, they are the fresh flowers. मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको, और मतलब आपको स्मेल करने से लगेगा कि एक बहुत ओरिजिनल फ्रेशनेस है. एंड इनफैक्ट उसी समय फ्लावर्स आ रहे थे. सो दैट्स ऑल वी एक्सप्लोर टुडे. वी आर गोइंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट स्टॉप. सो बने रहे वीडियो पे टू सी वेयर वी आर गोइंग नेक्स्ट इन मैसूर, एंड देन फाइनली वी लीव फॉर बैंगलोर टुडे. सो लेट्स गो.
कितना सुंदर है ना.
So it's time to leave Mysuru for this time, but on the way we'll explore St. Joseph Philomena Church, which is again a very popular church in Mysore. So this is our next stop. I am at St. Joseph Philomena Church. It's a cathedral church and it's considered to be the tallest church in Asia. And ये वही church है जहाँ पे अमर अकबर एंथनी की shooting हुई थी. So it's very popular in Mysore. That's the reason we have come to see this. So जाते हैं अभी चर्च के अंदर, एंड इट्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल. आपको दूर से ही दिख जाएगा जब आप चर्च पहुंचने वाले होगे, विद इन अ किलोमीटर और सो यस. So that was the beautiful St. Joseph Philomena, and it's actually very tall structure. So now we are heading back towards Bangalore, a journey of 140 kilometers approximately. So we'll take the same Bangalore-Mysore expressway in some time, and yep, we'll go back to Bangalore today, and we'll try to come Mysore next time. Don't know when we are coming next time, but yes, for sure we'll come again. It's a beautiful city. So yes, let's go back to the Bangalore city. So we are on NH 275, and since it's a long weekend, तो 5-6 o'clock बहुत jam मिल सकता है nice road पे. So we'll try to reach as soon as possible. Mysore's journey is since 2 hours 30 minutes. So break लेते लेते I think we should reach by 4:30. So
5 हो जाएगा.
5 भी हो सकता है, 5 भी बज सकते हैं. So okay, we are going back to Bangalore. About to reach a toll. So we are about to reach Channapatna in like 10 kilometers. So हमने सोचा कि थोड़ा सा चिटपिट एक ब्रेक ले लेते हैं. उतनी भूख तो नहीं लगी है, so थोड़ा बहुत खा के आगे. लेस ट्रैफिक टुडे. हाईवे पे अभी तो कम ट्रैफिक है, पर शाम को
सब
काफी ज्यादा
वापस आएंगे ना, तब पता चलेगा.
हाँ
traffic
वो
है.
तो होगा, क्योंकि ओणम का वीकेंड मिला के काफी बड़ा वीकेंड ये हो गया. So we are in Channapatna town and heading towards Ramnagara.
This is a detour.
So हमारे आसपास बहुत सारे चन्नापटना टॉय शॉप्स हैं. So we are just driving through this road and खाना पीना हो गया. So we are on the old Mysore road. जब ये बैंगलोर मैसूर एक्सप्रेस से नहीं बना था तो ऑब्वियसली लोग इसी रोड से जाते थे. So हम भी जा रहे हैं अभी इसी रोड से. तो रामनगर in 22 minutes. So we aim to reach Bangalore by 4:35, and depending on the city traffic, we'll see when we reach home.
होने वाला AI का इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया बैंगलोर में. ही बेबी गो बैक.
Time is 4:45 और मैप हमें दिखा रहा है कि we should follow the KR Market मैसूर. क्या बोलते हो, कहाँ से जाना चाहिए?
शाम के टाइम निकलेंगे तो चलो चलते हैं. इतना ट्रैफिक नहीं है.
ट्रैफिक कम है अभी.
ये शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस है. दिस इज द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस.
So this was our one-day trip to Mysore, and we tried to explore Mysore in our own way. Hope you like it, and I hope you like my Mysore series. So if you like the video, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
बस ट्रैफिक शुरू. रीच बैंगलोर एंड वेलकम टू सिटी ट्रैफिक.